Welcome to another episode of AgTech Digest, your go-to source for the latest in agricultural technology. In today's episode, we're diving into the latest developments shaping the future of agriculture. We'll explore advanced sensor systems and autonomous farming platforms, examine spray optimization technologies and bionutritional acquisitions, and look at regulatory approvals and AI-driven discovery platforms. We'll also cover production facility expansions and international greenhouse partnerships. There's a lot to cover, so let's get started. In AgTech, Eagle NexT has launched the MicaSense Red Edge P triple sensor system, a drone-mounted solution combining 3 Red Edge P cameras to capture 15 spectral bands simultaneously. Designed for precision agriculture, mapping, and environmental monitoring, it delivers centimeter-level accuracy through RTK positioning and supports detailed crop, soil, and habitat analytics. Moving forward, Agtonomy has expanded operations across the US and Australia with its third-generation Agtonomy platform for autonomous specialty and permanent crop management. The company appointed Michael Abbott, former GM executive with leadership roles at Apple, Twitter, and Microsoft, to its board of directors as it scales its automation and physical AI solutions. Additionally, AgZen and Corteva have partnered to test and scale Real Coverage, which measures and optimizes agrochemical spray coverage in real time. Deployed on more than 970,000 U.S. acres since 2024, the technology will undergo in-lab and field testing with Corteva's crop protection products to improve efficiency and sustainability. Furthermore, HGS Bioscience has acquired Toronto-based Nutriag Ltd. To create a comprehensive North American bionutritional platform. The merger combines HGS's expertise in humic and fulvic acids with Nutriag's bionutritional technologies, expanding offerings across amino acids, plant extracts, and microbial solutions. In plant science, Amoeba has secured U.S. EPA authorization for its Axpera NOA and Axpera Green Biocontrol products, targeting fungal pathogens in specialty crops and turf grass. Commercial rollout is planned for 2026 through its partnership with Koppert, strengthening Amoeba's U.S. and global market presence. Transitioning to corporate restructuring, Valent Biosciences, MGK, and Valent North America will merge under Sumitomo Biorational Company LLC in April 2026. Led by Dr. Shinsuke Shojima, the unit will serve as Sumitomo Chemical's global hub for sustainable, microbials and botanicals-based innovation. On the technology front, Micropep Technologies has launched Chrysalix, an AI-driven platform to accelerate peptide-based crop protection discovery. The platform integrates generative AI and biological modeling with over 10 candidates in trials and a research partnership with Corteva Agriscience. In industry updates, Orth Bio, a Bayer-Arvinas joint venture focused on protein degradation technology for agriculture, has ceased operations. Founded in 2019, the company sought to develop new, biological modes of action for pest and disease control. Meanwhile, Plant Healthcare is close to regulatory approval for PHC 68949, the first foliar-applied biological nematode treatment. California's pesticide regulator has completed review and opened public comment, paving the way for commercialization. In CEA and agribusiness, Rainbow North America has opened a 182,000 square foot partner production center in Champaign, Illinois, to enhance agrochemical manufacturing efficiency. Featuring 6 automated lines, 22 loading docks, and free trade zone status, the facility expands Rainbow's production capacity and earned local recognition as Rainbow North America Day. Simultaneously, Cubo and Amtar Al-Khair Agricultural Crops Company have agreed to build and operate a 1 million square meter high-tech greenhouse zone in Saudi Arabia's Jazan region. The project integrates Dutch-controlled environment systems and supports Saudi Vision 2030 goals for food security, sustainable farming, and local employment. In other news, Rockcliffe Labs has launched its first dedicated program to systematically create 100 biotechnology and life sciences ventures over the next decade. The platform's structured model integrates scientific discovery, entrepreneurship, and capital alignment to transform Canadian research into global businesses. A new partnership with a leading Canadian university provides Rockcliffe Labs with IP access and a 7.5% shared equity structure in all co-created ventures. In partnership developments, Syngenta and Saudi Agricultural and Livestock Investment Company, SALIC, have signed an LOI to promote sustainable farming, soil health, and digital farm management in Saudi Arabia and beyond, supporting national food security goals. Regarding product innovation, Nomai Japan and Kagome Couriers Lao ID begin collaboration to study product development using Nomi's proprietary mycoprotein. The project will assess technical feasibility, sensory characteristics, and commercial potential of new food prototypes. Mycoprotein, derived from koji, offers high protein and fiber content with low fat and sustainable production. Finally, Enco Capital has raised $100 million in the first close of its impact-focused private credit strategy, targeting $150 million at final close and a $200 million hard cap. Key investors include British International Investment, BII, IFC, SciComm Global Fund Limited, a European impact investor, and several African pension funds and family offices. The fund will provide US dollar-denominated private credit to mid-market companies across Sub-Saharan Africa in non-cyclical sectors such as agriculture, telecommunications, renewable energy, manufacturing, and financial services. That wraps up today's episode of AgTech Digest. We explored the latest developments in agricultural technology. From advanced drone sensor systems and autonomous farming platforms to EPA approvals for biocontrol products and AI-driven peptide discovery, it's clear that the AgTech sector is making strides in sustainability and innovation. With significant partnerships spanning spray optimization to international greenhouse projects and impactful funding rounds totaling $100 million, the future of agriculture is shaping up to be smarter and more sustainable than ever before. Thanks for joining me. I'm Anna, signing off. Stay inspired and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.